Oh, what is up, chat? Welcome back to a video. Yes, fresh cut. Let's go. So today we are back home in Orange. We are getting our bikes ready. Well, I'm getting mine ready. Jack A is getting his ready with a bit of clutch fluid, and I'm gonna see if I can tighten my chain because she's a bit cooked, chat. So I'll see if we have any play, and then we'll go from there. See what happens, and then we'll go for a ride tomorrow. And yeah, let's go. Don't mind the bike, needs to clean. So, can't wait to get back out in the paddocks tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Alright, chat, done a bit of a dodgy. Put a couple of washers in there. See if we can get through. Not really doing much at the moment. Why is that making it worse?
That's why I'm going to pull back on the
Alright guys, well that didn't work. Went back to how it was, and the chain's still quite loose, so hopefully it doesn't come off and ruin everything. But I guess we'll see tomorrow. Let's go. Alright, we're going to try again.
Put her in gear.
We've got a link, and we're going to see if we can take that out and then take a link out.
Oh, yeah, that is not going to happen.
Oh, who's moving, who's moving? Don't hit the camera.
It's off.
See there. Yep, you just try to hit as hard as you could. Make sure I don't lose that fella. Yeah, if someone cleaned his motorbike, probably wouldn't be a big issue. Yeah, I can't get that.
Make that
Yeah,
easy.
and probably use those something to whip in there. I'll hold this for you. You just get in there and hold that.
It's a bit old. Try and get it.
Wait. Are they supposed to come out?
Yeah, I'm put out of gear. Another smile, so you've had a bit. Come on.
Come on, come on, come on, baby.
Hang it
Let's
a
do
bit.
this
I'll
enough.
get a bit up there.
Focus.
Come on.
Come on, little one.
Ladder head here.
Ooh, bro, that's thicker than the other one. How fat that mug is. Bro, it should be easy, just pull it out.
Oh, see, chat.
Say chat, we're cooked. Bro, it shouldn't be that hard, just pull it out, bro. Little bro. Where's the hammer? Take it back. So it's sitting on this sprocky.
It's great.
And then just break the procky. See? I'm a smart guy, and then the sprockets can be bent.
You bloody link. Come on, chat.
Bang. And then what you want to do is hold that part of the chain. Off she goes. And that's our little linker link. Next job.
Bread.
Chat. You hear me? We're gonna make this work. Take a link out, see how we go. Hopefully. I could be cooked. I might be buying
Spike's gonna fly right at me.
might be buying a new chain in the morning. Chat, we could be cooked. Alright, we ready? I can't even see.
Nah, bro, I'm better get.
It's so loud.
I'm better get murdered by the spark.
Come over here then. You don't have to go right there. You need it. That's a video. Clip that. Wait, where is it? Alright, chat. Anyone got a vice? Anyone got a vice president? A little bit more out the corner. Yeah, see? Alright guys, look what we've done. Yes sir. Yes sir. Got the chain, got the link off, so we'll put it back on. And hopefully she's tight. Otherwise I might have taken the link off. Let's go. Alright fellas, we got the torch out, but you know what I'm saying? Have a look at this. Bulls! Look at that. That will come, because look at all this room we got here now. So that is fire. Shot Jack Agwell. Yeah. Joint contribution. Alright. Let's do it. Put this bad boy back on.
No, check.
Whoa.
Dang, how the hell am I meant to hold?
Softly. It's nice, Jack Egg. What if you had some dub 4 and then sort of try and slide it? Actually, let me just.
I think you need to put the camera down.
We'll be back. Guys, look at that. We are back and better than ever. Once we get that back a bit, we'll be able to push that back with this bolt. We should be on. Let's go. We did it! We'll just push that one back a bit there. And yeah, that should get this. Look at that, you can already see it moving. And yeah, call it a night. Let's go. Alright lads, all done. They're both at the same length. And now, when you have a look at this, doors. Bang, good to go. They reckon 3 fingers, pretty perfect. So, bang. Let's go. We will see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow at the paddock. Don't know if I get any in the morning, but we'll see you tomorrow. That's Jack's bike. Let's go. Peace. Sorry, neighbours.